Let us start the logic gates. What is a logic gate? Logic gates is a building block of circuit. It is an electronic circuit having the two inputs in the form of the low voltage. In other words, it is known as a zero, or high voltage, it is known as a 1. So some gates require two or more inputs and produce one output. Some gates require one input and produce only one output. So very first, understand classification of the logic gate. Generally, there are two categories of the logic gates. Logic gates first one is that basic gate. Basic gates. In this category have three gates. First one is a NOT gate, NOT NOT gate, also known as the inverter gate, NOT gate. Second is a AND gate, and last one is a OR gate. Second category is a universal gate. In this category have the two gates. First is a NAND, N-A, and the NAND gate, G-A-T-E gate, means NOT plus a AND. And second gate is a NOR gate, NOT plus a OR gate. So this is known as a universal gates because these gates are derived from the basic gate. So I will discuss about the universal gate in the next video. In this video, I am discussing only about the basic gates. These are the NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. NOT gate. The symbol of NOT gate is, this is a symbol of NOT gate. This one is the input side and this is a output. Input is represented in the form of the variable. Now this is a one input, so it is represented by the X. And this is a output. Output is represented by R. This is the only gate which require only one input and produce the only one output. And output is the always inverse of the input. Means if the value of X is low, the output will be high. If input is the high, the output will be low. It is also known as a inverted gate. Let us understand the functionality of the NOT gate by the truth table. Gate which require only one input. So how to draw truth table? So in the truth table there are the two sides. First is the input side and second is a output side. All the input variables are written in the input side. All the output variables are written in output side. So truth table, understand by the truth table. Truth table. So how to make the truth table? Very first you draw a vertical line. This is the LHS side. This is the input side and this is a output side. Draw a vertical line. Input, write input, and this side write the output. How many inputs in this gate? There is only one input. then you write x below the input word. Now x is a Boolean variable, x is a Boolean, and the value of x either will be low or high. So there are two possibilities of the x. First is the 0 and second is a 1. Means input may be either 0. When input is a 0, means the value of x is 0, then the output of NOT gate will be 1. If the value of x is high or low, the output will be 0. This is a truth table of the NOT gate. Now output is represented by the R. It is a description of the NOT gate. Second one is a OR gate. Symbol of OR gate. First you look the symbol of OR gate. This is a symbol. This gate is also known as the binary gate. Actually this gate requires minimum 2 input. Now first input is represented by variable x and second input is represented by variable y. Sometimes it is also known as a logical addition. The output will be R equal to x plus y. Now this is a symbol. This is not the addition symbol. Now in this topic, this symbol is known is ORing. It is used for the ORing. Now the functionality of this gate understood by the truth table. Earlier discussed, there are the two sides of truth table. First is a input side. Input. There are the two inputs in this gate. First is the x and second is a y. And one output is a R equal to x plus a y. There are the two inputs, so total combination will be 4. Now how to make the combinations? We write the 0, 1, 0, 1. Below the y, 1, 0, 1. Again 0, 1. Below the x, write 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. ORing. How to get the result of the OR gate? The formula is that if both values are low or 0, the output will be 0. If any value of input is 1, output will be 1. Now understand by the values. Now the value of x is 0 and value of y is 0. Now this time x is going to 0 and y is going to 0. Both are the 0, both are the low, so output will be 0 or low. In this row, the value of x is 0 and value of y is 1. As per rule, if any value is high or 1, the OR gate produce the high output. Means 1. So 0 and 1. This one is the high, so output will be high. At line 3, this line, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 0. As per rule, between two values, one is high or 1, output will be 1. At this line, now the value of x is high, so no need to consider the value of the y or other variable value. We know earlier, as per rules, if any value is high, output will be high. So in this case, the output will be 1. So this is a truth table of a OR gate. This is a truth table of a OR gate. Sometimes it is also known as a logical addition. But you remember in mind how to get the output of the OR gate. Do not add the value of these variables. Always keep in mind a formula. If any variable value is 1, so output will be 1. If all values are low or 0, then output will be low or 0. Okay. Now next is a AND gate. Very first, look the symbol of AND gate. I am drawing the symbol of AND gate. This is also known as a binary gate because these gates require minimum 2 input. This is the first input represented by the X. Second is the Y input represented by the Y, and this gate also produce only one output, that is a logical multiplication X dot Y. Here the dot symbol represent the ending. In the mathematics it is known as a multiplication sign. The functionality of the AND gate, let us understand by the truth table. So I am going to drawing the truth table. So very first you draw the vertical line, write all the inputs variable in the input side. There are the 2 inputs in this gate. First is a X input, second is a Y input, and one output, that is a R equal to X dot Y. So have the 2 inputs, so total combination will be 4. So how to write the combination? Below the Y variable you write 0, then 1 0, 1, again 0 and 1. Below the Y write the 2 times 0, 0 0, 1 1. Now input side is ready. I am going to explain how to get the output of the AND gate. For this gate have the one rule. For the AND gate, if any input is 0, 0 means low voltage, so output will be low. If all inputs are high, high means 1, then output will be high. Let us understand this rule by the AND gate. At this row the value of X is 0 and value of Y is 0. So this is a low input, this is a low input, means both are the 0. If any input is 0, output will be 0. So in this case both are the low, so output will low or 0. At line number 2 means the value of X is 0 and value of Y is 1. So one input is low and second one is a high. As per rule, if any input is low or 0, output will be 0. So in this case output will be 0. At line number 3, X, the value of X is 1 and value of Y is 0. As per rule, if any input is 0, output will be 0. So output will be 0. Then at this line both are the high. The value of X is 1, value of Y is 1, both are high or 1, so output will be 1. Output will be 1. This is a functionality of AND gate. I explained this by the truth table. Sometimes it is also called as a logical mathematics. 0 0 0. First 3 rows is are 0 and last one is 1 because both inputs are high. Now student, in this video we understand basic logic gates and or and gate. In next video I will explain about the universal gate. So you students stay at home and keep safe, and you study at home with sincerely, because this is a period of the COVID-19, so the safety is very most, and you students have to study for the board examinations very hard. Thank you.